गोयच्या प्रत्येक मतदान केंद्राभोवतणी वेंचणूक कर्मचारी 5 झाडां लायतले। तशेंच कांय मतदान केंद्रांनी मतदारांक रस्त्याच्या कुशीक झाडां लावपाक मेळटली। ही झाडां जगोवपा खातीरूय वेंचणूक आयोगान पावलां उबारल्यात। वेंचणूक आयोगाचे दुसरे नाविन्यपूर्ण पावल म्हणल्यार 16 वेंचणूक केंद्राचेर जाणट्यां खातीर भलायकी शिबीर आयोजीत केला। हांगा प्रत्येक सिनियर सिटीजनाचे डॉक्टरा मार्फत चाचणी जातली। ह्या दोनूय नव्या आनी हेर प्रकल्पाविशीं मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी रमेश वर्मा हांणी गोमंतक टीव्ही कडेन उलयतना अदीक म्हायती दिली।
Will do small plantation, especially medicinal plants and fruit bearing plants. And regards this monsoon wait for next 1 month, we are ensuring you that okay, we will take care of all plant saplings for next 1 month. And then further, it is the responsibility of all of our local people also to take care of these plants, because these all plants are for them only, so that in future our next generations also see the benefits of all medicinal plants as well as fruit bearing plants. Another initiative which we are taking for our model polling station, so wherever we have our model polling station, there we try to find a stretch on our highways or nearby roads or internal routes also, wherever we have piece of land available. And here we are giving one opportunity to all the polling voters. This is not only for a specific category of voters, but it is open for all voters who are casting their vote at these model polling station. We will provide them transportation also. From there, we will bring them to our nearby stretch, and there we will give them a chance to plant a tree of medicinal as well as fruit bearing tree. There also will take care of all these plants for next 1 month and further also. So this is again a contribution from our polling teams and polling officials to the society. Here we want to show that okay, the third initiative is our medical camp at specific polling booths in urban areas where people are not coming to cast their votes because of their some issues, maybe because of their age factors or their health factors. So we are now coming up with this health benefits to them. Please come, cast their votes and get benefits of health facilities there. These are basic facilities which we are providing you, and further if you require some further reference, their doctors will suggest you and give you priority in appointments at their respective hospitals. So these are 3 initiatives we are coming up this time. As you know about the announcement of elections in Goa, we have our election schedule in phase 3 and our polling day is 7th May. So this time we are fully prepared as per the directions given by our Honorable Commission of India. We are ready with our 1725 polls in both the districts, North Goa and South Goa district. Our district teams are also actively working there. This time, many polling booths are categorized in different model pool categories, like some are eco-friendly with local materials we are using there, green polling booths. Some are polling booths which are totally managed by our women officials. These are pink polling booths. Some are totally managed by our PWD friends, so PWD managed polling booths. Some are youth managed polling booths who are looking after by only young officials in particular age category. Even some polling booths are going to be prepared on the unique concept where we have something very unique to show those people who are coming to cast their vote and to the whole world outside that okay, see the importance of this particular polling booth in which area. So one in each district here. This time we are coming up with some new initiatives also, 3 new initiatives. 2 are with our environmental friendly initiatives.
लोकसभेचे इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जाले आणि सगळी सुत्रां आतां वेंचणूक आयोगा कडेन आसात ही इलेक्शन कंडक्ट करपा खातीर. आनी दर वर्सा वेंचणूक आयोग गोंयान एक वेगवेगळे तरेचे एक्सपेरिमेंट करता, कितें तरी इनोवेशन हाडटा. तशेंच ह्या खेपे अशे 3 तरेचे नवे प्रयोग इलेक्शन कमिशन करपाचे आसा. आनी म्हणून ह्या इलेक्शनाक गोंयान खरें म्हणजे ग्रीन इलेक्शन म्हणपाक शकता. कारण ह्या वर्सा ह्या इलेक्शना भितर वेंचणूक आयोगाचो आदेश आसा की 10 ते 20 हजार झाडां गोंयान लावपाची आनी हातूंत चडशीं झाडां आसतलीं ती फ्रूट बेरींग फळां दिवपी आनी वखदी झाडां आसतलीं. सो हाजी स्पेशालिटी म्हणजे एक गोश्ट म्हणजे प्रत्येक पोलिंग बुथाचेर जे 5 जाण पोलिंग ऑफिसर आसतले ते एक झाड लायतले. तशें 1700 प्लस पोलिंग बूथ आसात गोंयान भितर. सो हे चडशे पोलिंग बूथ आसात ते गव्हर्मेंट जागे भितर आसात आनी चडशे शाळा आसात. सो म्हणून हांगा ही झाडां लायतले. त्या शिवाय आनी कशे पोलिंग बूथ आयडेंटिफाय केल्या गोंयान, नॉर्थ गोवान, सावथ गोवान, ज्या जाग्याचेर वोटर्स ही झाडां लायतले तांकां नियरस्ट खंय तरी हायवे नाजाल्यार नियरस्ट रोड आसा त्या रोडाचेर ही झाडां लावपाची आसतली. सो ताजे खातीर इलेक्शन कमिशनान फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, PWD, हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशन अशी वेगवेगळ्या एजन्सी कडेन व्हडली टायअप केला आनी ही झाडां लावपाचो मोहीम ह्या इलेक्शनाक मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर जातली. सो हाजे खातीर ह्या इलेक्शनाक आमी ग्रीन इलेक्शन म्हणपाक शकता.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट नीरज नायक.